how to recover deleted Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you accidentally deleted a story and want it back? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your deleted Instagram stories. So, let's dive right in. Open up the Instagram app first and then go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on three lines on the top right. Now, here tap on your activity and then scroll down, tap on recently deleted, and here you'll be able to find your recently deleted contents if you have any, and then you just have to tap on it to restore it. Just make sure that you restore the deleted contents within 24 hours because it will automatically delete after 24 hours. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.